Met him on Sunday, loved him by Tuesday afternoon. Woke up on Friday, changed my whole life to make some room around 1:45. I have remembered all my lines. I'll say when I think of you, you're like my favorite song. That melody I love, and it goes la da 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 da. Hopped on the metro and I make my way home, but I can't get him out of my mind, no matter just how hard I try. And if the rumors are true, then I can look forward to some better days and get away so nice. 'Cause when I am with you, you're the crescendo to that melody I love. Yeah, have better days and getaways, 'cause every day is a holiday with you.